You know, the weather also looking really good. You know, if you like the gloomy conditions, you're going to like today.
Yeah, this means it's cool for those early morning
Cool.
workouts, or if you have to work out in
Yeah.
the yard, or
I always say that it is perfect workout weather because yeah, you don't have to get too sweaty out there with the sun beating down on you. But here's a live look over Long Beach. So yeah, it's kind of a carbon copy of what we saw yesterday morning. Very gloomy conditions this morning. Clouds for most areas, except if you are in the mountains, well, you are waking up to a little bit more sunshine. Temperatures are very chilly out there in the upper 30s. Other areas looking at upper 50s, lower 60s this morning. It's not too bad out there, although it is impacting some of our visibility, especially through the San Fernando Valley this morning, as well as areas like Ontario, San Bernardino, down to 2 miles of visibility at this time. But you'll notice along the coast, things looking pretty clear as far as visibility. I think, though, this is expected to improve as we head into later this morning. So here's a look at our radar right now. It's a loop over the past 3 hours. You'll notice those marine layer clouds all across Southern California, but this area of low pressure we're watching that's going to push into Southern California later today. You'll notice we're already starting to see some bands of rain off the coast, so this is going to impact us as we head into tonight. So I want to show you Futurecast so you know exactly when to expect that rain. So we're going to hang on to the clouds today, really most all of today. And then you'll notice, you'll start to see that green popping up as we head into the overnight hours. Now these showers will be very scattered. You'll notice heading into early Monday morning around 9 a.m. We'll continue to see it across Orange County, Los Angeles County, as well as out towards Ventura County, the mountains as well. Now, one thing I also want to let you guys know, we do have a chance of thunderstorms heading into tonight and into tomorrow as well. So we are tracking instability with this system that's pushing in as we head into tonight and even really through Tuesday as well. You'll notice here's 3:30 a.m. on Tuesday, still continuing to see these showers. I think the system is going to move out of the area as we head into maybe later Tuesday morning. That's when we should start to dry out. Temperatures today are going to be a lot cooler, especially you'll notice it if you are inland today. Temperatures along the coast in the 60s and 70s, upper 70s out towards Palmdale and Ontario today. Temperatures right along the coast, barely making it into the 70s. Some of us, Westlake Village hanging on to 70 degrees, Manhattan Beach in the upper 60s today, lower 80s out towards Lancaster. So here's this area of low pressure that's pushing into Southern California. It's going to move off to the east, and then we'll see a weak ridge of high pressure building as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. That's going to boost up our temperatures by just a few degrees. We're not talking about a big warm up here, but temperatures just a few degrees warmer than what we will feel for the first half of the week. And then another area of low pressure you'll notice as we head into Saturday morning, kind of right off the coast, could see some showers up towards the Bay Area. For us, not sure if we'll see showers with this system yet, something that we will continue to watch. Taking a look at the extended forecast here, well, we're going to stay cool today. You'll notice Monday, though, cooling off significantly, especially for the inland spots. So here's kind of how that looks. You'll notice Sunday into Monday, temperatures dropping down significantly. We have that chance of showers as well as thunderstorms. We will kind of kick that system out as we head into Tuesday afternoon. We'll stay dry throughout the rest of the week and warm up by just a few degrees as well. That's been a look at your forecast. Let's check in with sports with Jamie.